Vegas Lawn Care reporting July 2nd, rabbit recovery project. As you well know, we don't do tall fescue here in Vegas. Everybody else does, but I don't. I do the cold season grass and the warm season grass. So before we kind of do an overview of the lawn, it's been around 105, 106 lately. July 2nd. It's been sort of a slow burning summer. It heated up late. Didn't get hot real quick. But rabbit recovery, let's check it out. Got this section over here. Bermuda's filling in nice. Still looks a little thin right there, but we're making some good progress. Okay. Nice and clean. If you look at it from here, we're doing good. Filling in nice. Over here, the little sod plugs that we put in a few weeks ago are now starting to green up. You can see those circles getting green. You can see my long stolons of Bermuda going across the sand right there. Okay, this is growing real nice. We're doing really well with that. That should be spreading pretty good. Come end of July, rabbit recovery, baby. You can see over here, we're getting some spread. I think some of this is left over, I don't know what, but it doesn't seem to be spreading like I thought it would, but it's spreading. We can see that plug right there is getting some nice spread. That sand gets real hot, and that Bermuda just really likes it. You can see here, rabbit recovery, baby. That's gonna fill in nice. Coming over here, struggling a little bit here because I think some of that stuff you see right there is leftover perennial rye or Kentucky blue thatch. But we are starting to get some stolon growth going. See those right there? We got one there, we got one there. Those should start filling in. I know I talked a lot about crabgrass. Who gives a fuck? Okay, we don't care. We got crabgrass right there. Okay, because I don't have a hybrid Bermuda, it's okay. So if it gets real nasty, just pick it out where you see it. Okay, here's a nasty chunk here. Okay, nasty chunk of crabgrass right there, but you don't really see it. Look, if I step back, don't trip, just mow it short. Okay, in a lot of cases though, our crabgrass, like that right there, look how that blends into the Bermuda. I mean, unless I got a baseball field or a perfectly manicured hybrid Bermuda lawn, you know, this is common Bermuda. So a lot of this right here is gonna fill in nice. So I look at this thick crabgrass right here as rabbit protection. Because if some of that crabgrass fills in, and remember, we don't want wheelgrass. Wheelgrass is like a spoke, you wanna rip that out, but crabgrass will spread just like Bermuda. So if you've got, you know, crabgrass going, just leave it alone. You don't need to be spending all that money on chemicals and shit. I can guarantee you, I'm gonna record this lawn. Let's look at this from right here. Everybody laughed at me, man. And they said, crabgrass. Listen, trust me, man. I'm gonna show you a video of this come end of July, and you won't be laughing because it's gonna be green when it's 112, 115. All right, let's look at this corner here. We got some heavy stolon growth here. Look at this. It's just loving that sand. It's loving that sand. Vegas Lawn Care, baby. Here we go. We're coming in here. Honestly, man, it's freaking hot right now. And this is a mild day. So let's take a look at the rest of the lawn. Okay, those were our problem areas. So you can see where there's sand right there, right? Okay, if you look at my videos going back to April, I had a carpet of Kentucky blue perennial rye. We're now just starting to get that same kind of look come middle of July. So let's look at our tracks. If we look at this from across the street, we're straight. Look how nice that looks. Okay, let's come over here to our other rabbit recovery section. We got some stolon growth on that plug right there. Okay, we're making progress, man. So we'll take a peek at this grass here. We're looking good, man. Vegas Lawn Care update July 2nd.